you guys have small pillows, you might see that you have these kind of pillows. So first, you want to get this pillow, place it right here, right there, and then after that, get this pillow, put it right like an inch away from it. The other pillow I put it at, just like that. After that, you want to get this pillow smaller than this one, put it right here, and you're done. Thank you.